Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Manifold AI Learning. And I'm Kavya Jamadagni, and today we are here to discuss about the top 3 tricks to secure 90% plus in NVIDIA NCP-AAI examination. So guys, let's get started. The first thing we have to do is to set the promise. So let me start with a bold but honest promise. That is, if you apply the 3 tricks I'm going to share in this video, then you will dramatically increase your chances of scoring 90% or more in the NVIDIA NCP-AAI exam. Guys, this is not motivation or this is not generic study advice, but these are exam-specific execution tricks and the kind you usually learn after failing once, okay? So if you want to clear it in your first attempt, let's get started with the first step. That is, understanding as what NCP-AAI is really testing. So before we jump into tricks, one clarity is very much critical. That is, NCP-AAI is not a Gen AI fundamentals exam. That means NVIDIA already assumes that you know about what LLMs are, what prompts are, and even what embeddings are. So this exam tests as how you think and not how much theory you remember. See, this is designed to check whether you can design the agentic workflows, choose the right architecture, and make the enterprise-grade decisions. So keep that in mind as we go into the trick 1, that is thinking in working flows and not the features. Yes, we should think about the workflows and not the features. See, this is the biggest differentiator I can say. Most candidates actually read a question and start thinking. That is, which feature is this asking about? That's a mistake. See, high scorers think as what is the end-to-end workflow here? There is example which I can give you as the question mentions the tool, memory, and the human approval. Average candidate thinks as this is a tools question. Top scorer actually thinks this as this is a multi-step agent workflow with a human in the loop gate. Yes. In the NCP-AAI, every question maps to a flow and not a keyword. So your mental habit must be to identify the goal, visualize the steps, and then to choose the option that best supports the entire flow. So if you do this consistently, your accuracy jumps immediately. Correct? Next, the trick 2, that is to eliminate the options that break enterprise logic. Here's something most people don't realize. That is, in NCP-AAI, 2 options are usually technically possible, but only one is enterprise correct. So instead of asking which option can work, ask as which option would NVIDIA recommend in production. Now, red flags to eliminate the options. Remove choices that actually skip the validation or approvals, and please don't consider monitoring or observability. Then store sensitive data casually along with assuming the single step execution for the complex tasks. NVIDIA actually loves the guardrails, evaluation, modular design, and the scalable orchestration. So if an option ignores this, it's usually wrong, even if it sounds very much clever. So guys, this trick alone can push you from 70% to 85%. Please trust me on this, okay? Now, the third trick is answer from NVIDIA's POV, not yours. Yes. This is the most advanced trick and the most powerful one. You're not answering as a startup hacker or a side project builder or a hobbyist. Actually, you're answering as NVIDIA. So guys, ask yourself, if NVIDIA is certifying someone, what thinking do they want to validate? They want people who design responsibly, scale safely, build or enterprise, and understand the trade offs. Correct, right? So, when two options feel close, choose the one that looks boring but safe, which actually mentions governance, mentions evaluation or oversight, or matches the real enterprise deployments. Actually, this mindset shift is what separates past from top scorers. Understood? Now comes the bonus part, that is to use the practice tests the right way. So, here the quick bonus tip which I can give you is see, practice tests are not for memorizing the answers, they are for training your decision making reflex. After every practice question, ask as why is this option correct or why are the others wrong and what mental model is being tested over here. So, if you do this, your examination thinking becomes automatic. Fine? So, if you want a structured, no guesswork path to clear the NCP-AI in your first attempt, that's exactly why we created the NVIDIA NCP-AI examination prep pack. That is, inside the pack, you will get the focused video lessons aligned exactly to the exam, a clear, readable ebook you can revise from, and actually a 6 full length practice tests designed to train the exam thinking and not the tricks. Guys, this is built specifically to help you to score high and not just pass. I'm very much serious about it. And one important update before I close. That is, NVIDIA is actually offering a 50% discount on the examination fee for the registration done till December 31st. So, if you're planning to take NCP-AI, this is the best time to prepare and register. You will find the prep pack details in the link below. Prepare once, think like NVIDIA, clear it in your first attempt. I'll see you inside. See ya.